I always loved soft sender cookie or a gooey cookie or a soft baked cookies. So in this recipe I'll be teaching you how to make a soft gooey cookie, chocolate chips, and I'm putting Nutella in it. So the technique is, you can combine it everything together, easy to make. Don't follow the old school recipes, just mix everything together, bake it, simple. Okay, enjoy. Making a sticky chocolate chip and Nutella cookie. 1 egg, can use medium to large size egg. Then brown sugar. So brown sugar 150 gram. Vanilla essence 1 to 2 tablespoons. It depends on the quality of the vanilla you can add. Then salt, half a teaspoon. Then melted butter. Now just mix it in before we beat to a cream consistency. So now add in baking powder and half a teaspoon. Now add in the flour, that's 200 grams. Now add in the chocolate chips. Now just fold it in. So now it's mixed properly. Don't overwork it, that's it. Just fold it in. And now we can leave it in the fridge. So make the cookie into balls like around 40 to 30 gram size. What just fit in your palm. And then roll it like this and then keep it on a baking tray lined with baking sheet. So once it's equally divided, I don't want to crowd the tray. So almost like this, you just press it slightly, with the hand, but keep it a round shape. Just press it down slightly. So after pressing down, just make a small, depression, it's not a hole, just press it down because I want to place Nutella here. So now on the, the depression on the cookie, just place Nutella. Okay, like that. So repeat it for all the other cookies, like that. So now just keep it for baking. The oven is preheated to 170. Now we will just cook it for, let's say, 7 minutes. Then we will see how it comes out. So now it's ready. I'm just taking it and cooling down. So just 7 minutes. I want it gooey, that's why I'm just stopping the cooking. And that's enough. So now before we plating it up, it's warm, it's cooled down, but I want the cookies to be slightly warm. Dust it with powdered sugar or icing sugar. So now just place the cookies on the plate to serve. That's it, good enough.